The pipeline that is built here cost 300 billion rand to supply water to higher lying areas of this area, which is going to take some time, months. However, the pump station that was newly built next to the pump station that's existing was to feed this pipeline. I was nominated by the mayor to be an oversight person on all these projects. And from that day till date, I was never near any of the projects to make oversight reports or even see the progress on these things. I was still 1 and 2. I haven't gone in there, I haven't been taken in there to show me that they are busy fixing those reservoirs. Brixton Tower, there's a whole lot of problems with compliance. I told them last year already that tower will not be ready till April. It's going near to April already. It's almost March now. Still, that tower will not be compliant until the contractor that's got that contract stop taking other people to make compliance for him to finish his project. And the monies that's supposed to be paid out there has not been paid as yet. That's why there's also a stop on that. There's a whole lot of misappropriation of funds and things like this.
The Premier said that that tower will be done by the end of this month, this week.
Tell the Premier I say, he must come prove it to me. Him and I together will stand and cut the ribbon for that tower to be open. If he can't do that, if he can't say I'll take him to his word, he can come with me and cut that ribbon. There's no deal. I know that tower won't be ready end of